In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Scotiabank card to your Apple Wallet in just 5 minutes. This process is simple and straightforward, making it convenient for you to access your card digitally whenever you need it. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to locate and open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This app serves as a digital container where all your cards can be securely stored. Once you have the app open, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen and tap on the plus icon. This is your starting point for adding a new card. Now that you've tapped the plus icon, you'll be presented with a few options. Here you'll want to proceed by selecting debit or credit card. This will prompt the app to guide you through the process of adding your Scotiabank card. As you follow the prompts, you'll come to a choice on how to input your card information. You have two options. You can enter your card's details manually, or for convenience, you can use your iPhone's camera to scan the card. If you choose the manual route, simply type in the necessary information. But if you'd prefer the quicker method, hold your card up to your iPhone's camera and align it so that the card fits within the on-screen frame. The camera will capture your card details automatically, which adds some efficiency and saves you a bit of time. Once your card details are in, you may be asked to complete some additional verification steps. This could involve receiving a text message or an email from Scotiabank with a code that you'll need to enter to confirm your identity. These steps are crucial as they ensure that your card and the information linked to it remain secure throughout this process. And that's it. With these steps completed, your Scotiabank card will be securely saved in your Apple Wallet, ready for you to use it whenever you make purchases using Apple Pay. Remember, having all your cards in one place like this not only enhances security, but also increases the convenience factor significantly. So next time you're at a store, you can simply use your iPhone to make payments with just a few taps. I hope you found this guide easy to follow, and that now you're all set to make use of your Scotiabank card in Apple Wallet seamlessly. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy the ease of contactless payments.